Echoes of tomorrow. In the quaint village of Eldergrove, nestled between lush hills and shimmering rivers, the air once brimmed with the songs of birds and the whispers of rustling leaves. However, as time marched on, the symphony of nature began to fade, overshadowed by the relentless encroachment of industry. Factories spewed smoke, rivers turned murky, and the once vibrant flora dulled to shades of gray. Amidst this decline, a young girl named Lila stirred a flicker of hope. With her wild chestnut curls and bright green eyes, she embodied the spirit of the earth. One afternoon, while exploring the remnants of an abandoned garden, Lila stumbled upon a peculiar seed nestled in the cracked soil. It shimmered with an otherworldly glow, as if imbued with the essence of the very environment that had begun to wither. Determined to revive her village, Lila planted the seed in the heart of Eldergrove. She nurtured it with love and care, sharing her vision with the townsfolk, who had long since lost their connection to nature. Slowly, the seed sprouted, unfurling vibrant leaves that danced in the breeze. Inspired by Lila's passion, the villagers joined her quest, planting trees, cleaning rivers, and restoring harmony to their surroundings. As seasons changed, Eldergrove transformed. The air grew crisp, the rivers sparkled anew, and the symphony of nature returned, more resplendent than before. Lila's garden became a sanctuary, a testament to resilience and unity. The village learned that the echoes of tomorrow could only be heard if they listened to the whispers of today, rekindling their bond with the earth.